Hello friends, this is Tushar Govil and welcome to my YouTube channel Accessibility Talk. In today's video, I will talk about accessibility and usability. We will understand the similarities, differences, and why both matter while designing an experience. Video number 13. This image is showing accessibility versus usability. This is just a quick summary while we will talk about later in detail for this. So accessibility is for inclusive and accommodating, while usability is for easy and efficient to use. First, what is accessibility? Accessibility focuses on ensuring that people with disabilities can perceive, understand, navigate, and interact with the digital content. Disabilities considered in accessibility include visual, auditory, motor, and cognitive. Visual like blindness, low vision, color blindness; auditory like deafness, hearing loss; motor, limited fine motor control, paralysis, etc. And cognitive like dyslexia, ADHD, memory or learning disabilities. Some examples of accessibility features like text alternative for the images, or we call it alt text, which screen reader reads when the focus goes to that image. Keyboard navigation for all the interactive elements, sufficient color contrast for text on the web pages, screen reader friendly form labels and structure, and captions and transcripts for audio or video. Accessibility is often guided by formal standards such as Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or in short WCAG or WCAG, which define testable success criteria. Now we will understand what is usability. Usability is about how easy, efficient, and satisfying a product is to use for its intended users and audience. The key principles include learnability, efficiency, error prevention and recovery, and satisfaction. Like learnability, how quickly can a new user get started? Efficiency, how fast a user can complete tasks. Error prevention and recovery, are mistakes easy to avoid or fix if they are made? Satisfaction, does the product feel intuitive and smooth to operate? Some examples of usability improvements can be clear navigation and information hierarchy, simple and concise instructions, logical workflows with fewer steps, helpful error messages, consistent layouts and interactions. So we can say that usability is commonly evaluated through user testing, feedback, and heuristics rather than strict technical rules or success criteria. Now we'll understand similarities between accessibility and usability. So first, to understand, both share a common goal, which is improving the user experience for all the users. Now where they overlap, both aim to remove barriers for users, both focus on clarity, simplicity, and efficiency, both benefit to all users, both benefit all users, like not just a specific group. Both are most effective when considered early in the design process. For example, clear labels help screen reader users and reduce confusion for everyone. Logical tab order improves keyboard accessibility and speed up workflows. Plain language benefit users with cognitive disabilities and non-native speakers. In many cases, improving accessibility also improves usability and vice versa. Now we will go through key differences between accessibility and usability. So we have divided into five aspects: primary focus, core questions, standards, testing methods, and legal implications. So we will understand how accessibility and usability talk about or consider these aspects. So first aspect is primary focus. Accessibility's primary focus is people with disabilities, while usability's primary focus is for all users. Number two aspect, core question. The core question for accessibility is, can users access and operate this? For usability, is it easy and efficient to use? Standards. For accessibility, the standards are WCAG, or Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, and legal requirements. For usability, there are no such standards or legal requirements, but heuristics and best practices. Fourth aspect is testing methods. For accessibility, the testing methods are automated tools, screen readers, and keyboard testing. For usability, it is user testing, observation, and usability surveys. Now, last but not the least, the fifth aspect is legal implications. For accessibility, it is often legally required, and usability is rarely legally required. So it is mostly on heuristics and best practices. So we can say that a product can be accessible but not usable. Like the product can be technically compliant but confusing to use. Similarly, it can be a usable but not accessible. Like easy for some, impossible for others. Why accessibility is not optional? In many regions, accessibility is a legal requirement, especially for government, education, healthcare, and large commercial websites. Beyond compliance, accessibility expands your audience. These are the benefits of accessibility. Like it expands your audience, it reduces legal and reputational risk, it demonstrates social responsibility, it improves SEO, which is search engine optimization, and overall quality. Most importantly, accessibility ensures equal access, not special treatment. Equal access to everyone, despite of their ability or disability. Why usability still matters? Because accessibility alone does not guarantee a good experience. A site may meet all technical criteria, but it still can frustrate users. If, for example, navigation is unclear on the website, content is poorly organized, it takes required unnecessary effort to complete a task. So usability ensures that once users can access your product, they can actually use it well. Accessibility and usability better together. So they are better together if we take care of both of them in every phase of software development lifecycle. The strongest digital experiences are built where accessibility and usability intersect. Best practice mindset: accessibility is the foundation, no one should be excluded. And usability is a refinement where everyone should succeed easily. When design teams keep both in mind, products become more inclusive, fewer fixes are needed later, user satisfaction increases across the board. Conclusion: accessibility and usability are not competing priorities, but they are complementary disciplines. Accessibility ensures no one is left out, usability ensures no one is left frustrated. Together, they create digital experiences that are inclusive, intuitive, and effective for everyone. Designing for accessibility and usability isn't just good practice, it's a good design. So we can say that accessible design lets people in, usable design makes them want to stay. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you like it, or you can also suggest me additional topics that you want to see in the upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye and take care, and thank you for prioritizing accessibility.